If you are trying to lose fat but the scale isn't moving, there's one thing you are probably eating every single day and it's secretly sabotaging you. It's not pizza, it's not burgers, and it's not even sugar. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what it is, why it's stopping fat loss, and what to eat instead without starving yourself. And no, this is not some extreme diet advice. You have probably been told this food is healthy your entire life. Let's be honest, you eat pretty well. You try to control portions. Maybe you even work out. But somehow the belly fat stays. The love handles don't move, and every morning you think, what am I doing wrong? Here's the problem. You are eating the same high calorie, low satiety food every single day. Not because you are lazy, but because you were told it's healthy. And once I show you the science behind this, you will never look at this food the same way again. The food you should stop eating daily. Let's talk about it. Healthy processed carbs, discussed as healthy foods. Examples: white bread, breakfast cereals, granola, flavored oatmeal packets, crackers, bagels. Yes, even the whole wheat ones. Here's why. Why this stops fat loss. These foods have three big problems. Number one, they spike your blood sugar. That spike leads to insulin release, and insulin's main job. Store fat. Number two, they don't keep you full. You eat them, feel full for maybe 30 minutes. Then suddenly you are hungry again. That leads to snacking, overeating more calories without realizing it. Number three, they are easy to overeat. Nobody accidentally eats 5 chicken breasts, 6 avocados, but bread, cereal, crackers. That's different story. Be honest, has this ever happened? You pour cereal, then pour more, then a little more. Suddenly your bowl looks like a swimming pool and you still want snack an hour later. Now here's the part most people get wrong. You don't need to cut carbs completely. What to eat instead? Instead of eating these foods every day, swap them for protein-based meals: egg, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, lean beef, fiber-rich carbs, potatoes, oats, plain, not flavored, rice in controlled portions, fruits, vegetables. Why this works? Keep you full longer, control blood sugar, makes fat loss easier without suffering. This isn't about restriction, it's about smarter choices. If fat loss feels impossible right now, it's not because you are broken, it's because you are repeating the same daily habit. Eating foods that don't support your goal. Stop eating this every day. Not forever, not completely. Just stop making it your daily default. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment the one food you are cutting back on starting today. Your future self will thank you.